welcome back to my channel. This is my first get ready with me video, and I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys. Also, your girl reached 100 subscribers thanks to you guys, and I'm floored. Thanks, guys. All right, so since this is a casual everyday slay get ready with me, we're going to be using all drugstore products, starting with this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade Amber. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my face and buff that out with my Morphe brush. This is actually my first time ever using this foundation, so we'll see how it goes. Wait, first of all, why didn't nobody tell me that this foundation was so bomb? Like, look at this. This looks so good. This is definitely about to be my new go-to drugstore foundation. Not bad at all. Alright, so now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige, and I'm just going to be blending that in with my damp beauty blender. My black Opal foundation stick, I will be using that to contour, and this is in the color Black Walnut. Guys, if you haven't already tried this black Opal foundation stick, I want you to give it a try, okay? I love it. I absolutely love it, and you can't beat it. It's only $5. Like, you literally can't beat it. Okay, now I'm just setting my face with my Airspun baking powder. My lashes, and now I am taking my Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner in the color Blackout. That is a mouthful. makeup is supposed to be like very simple, so I'm not doing like a wing liner or anything, but I just don't want it to look bare and then just like boom, lash. Like I need some liner at least. So this is the NYX eyebrow cake powder, and I'm just taking that and going back in and defining my brows a little bit more. Look at that. Look at that. What man's going to deny the girl, huh? What man? What man? No man. No man will deny the girl. Okay? I can't find this Queen Collection CoverGirl bronzer anywhere in any store, so of course I'm still scraping the bottom of my old one, but I think I'm just going to go on Amazon and see if I can find it there and just purchase it there, because Amazon has everything. Listen, let me tell you something about this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Peach. Let me tell you something about that, okay? I slept on it. Completely slept on it. But listen, now I'm woke. Look at that. Come here. Come here. Come closer. Closer. That's a lash, okay? That's a lash and that's a brow. That's what that is. Like, come on through, drugstore products. Come on through. Come through. All 2019, sis. All 2019. There she go. There she go. A pretty girl. A pretty girl. All right, now that we're done makeup, let's get into this hair, sis. So I know what you're thinking. Kristen, your hair looks fine. Why don't you leave it like that? Why don't you just leave your hair straight? Huh? Why? But no, sis. No, we are not leaving our hair straight. We're going to cut some layers in our hair, and then we are going to curl for blood, okay? Well, not really for blood because we're doing loose curls today, but you get the picture. And let me be the first to say that I am a very, very wild girl for cutting layers in my hair on camera. Like, it's so hard to do, and whatever. Anything for you guys. Okay, so I'm using a 1.5 inch wand. Well, actually, this is a curling iron that I just took the top part off of. But anyway, so I'm laying this hair flat on the rod. Not twisting the hair, but I'm flattening the hair as I twist it around the rod. And as I'm doing this, I'm wrapping the hair away from my face. And I'm going to do it all in the same direction because we're only doing casual curls, not like big bombshell curls. Because if we were doing bombshell curls, I would do one way, then the other way, then one way, then the other way. But anyway, twerk out! If you don't have at least one twerk out somewhere between your makeup and your hair, you're not even going to have a good time when you go out because your energy is just too low. Your energy has to be up. You have to have a twerk out between the makeup and the hair, or both. Like, otherwise, if you don't do that, don't invite me out with you nowhere. I'm not coming, sis. guys, this is my tiara hair. I have in 3 30s, a 28, and a 26. Yes, that's correct. So of course I will put the website for that in the description box. Alright, so there we have it. We have one side done. So I'm just going to grab it by the bottom and comb it out starting at the ends and work my way up. So when you're combing it, there's not really any specific way to comb it. Just comb it out, play with it, finger it around, and yeah. Alright, so that's that, and I'll be back when I'm done with the second side. And guess who decided to join the video?
What's up, dude?
So cute. Please. Alright, go ahead. Go with daddy, okay? Mommy can finish her video. If you don't know, that is my dear son, Preston. He's everything. But back to the hair. Yes, this is the final look for the hair. It's big, it's bouncy, it's luxurious. It's giving, come talk to me, daddy. And yeah, it looks great. But that's done. Let's get into these outfits. Outfit number 1. What? Outfit number 1 is giving me life. It's giving him life. It's giving her life. It's giving everybody life, okay? So this coat is from BOOHOO. The bodysuit is from BILLBOARD Bound. The pants and the shoes are both also from BOOHOO. And of course, I will leave those in the description box below. Don't play with me. Oh, and also this, the fur collar is also from a jacket that I got from BOOHOO that you can detach the fur. I can also leave that in the description box. Yeah, so that's about it for outfit number 1. And now we're moving on to outfit number 2. Knock, knock. Who's there? It's a Betty. Okay, so for outfit number 2, we have the bodysuit still from BILLBOARD Bound. I paired that with a pair of black leggings and some boots. I also have this Fashion Nova oversized plaid shirt tied around my waist with this waterfall jacket from Pretty Little Thing. And I got this beret from a beauty supply store, but I found it on Amazon, so I will leave that in the description box below. Guys, I promise I wasn't being weird right here, but my hair smells so good. It really smells so good. Okay, so outfit number 3 is clearly giving Indiana Jones. No, I'm just kidding. Outfit number 3 is a nice chill vibe. This hat I got from Amazon. This shirt is just like a oversized off-white long sleeve t-shirt. This jacket I actually thrifted, so I can't leave that in the description box. But these jeans are boyfriend jeans from Fashion Nova. They will be in the description box. And these boots are from Miss Lola. These boots are very complicated. They look so simple, but they're very complicated to put on. I would not recommend these boots, but I will still leave them in the description box. Guys, I actually ended up going with outfit number 2, but you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite look was. Let me know if you're going to go redo one of these looks. If you do redo a look, tag me in it so that I can repost you guys on my social media. And until next time, stay positive and be blessed.